Welcome to the tutorial session of first spraying mission with AeroGCS. To perform your first spraying mission with AeroGCS, get started by clicking on Projects. Enter a valid project name, your client's name and a plan name. Continue by saving the information filled. Enter valid location or proceed by selecting vehicle location. Here we are performing spraying mission, hence shall proceed by selecting spraying from the grid scene. Mention valid altitude for the flight along with its speed. Adjust the plan as per your requirement. Continue by setting turn angle in the mission if the need be. You can see spraying statistics here. You can continue by applying the same and save the changes made. AeroGCS allows you to choose option from continuous spraying and optimize spraying. Select the best one that applies and turn on the mission. Click on Yes to upload the plan on the device. Enable uploading terrain data, and you will see plan successfully been uploaded. Click on Takeoff. As you do, flight pre-checks will appear. After all flight pre-checks, you can proceed by taking off. Below, all significant details will appear. Distance in meters, speed of the drone, time of the flight, location and area in square meter. Here you can see the flight is covering distance. Now that the mission is complete, you will see drone is returning back to its home location. In this way, your first spraying flight would be successfully completed. Thank you for watching AeroGCS KEA tutorial video.